Hi guys, greetings to you all. It's your girl again, Sandra Igbogu. I am here to thank you all for your love, for your prayers towards my state. I thank you all. I really appreciate. God will bless you. God will bless you for your concern, for the prayers that you render. Really, we made it. We made it. It works. It works. The prayer indeed works. Thank you all for taking our time to pray for our states, to pray for Edo State. In fact, I was so happy to see everywhere we're so calm. Oh my God, you guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. You guys, oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Thanks to you all. Thank you, thank you. But it is not over, nothing is over. We still have fights. We still have fight. We still have to pray. We still have to pull us together to achieve these things together. Yes, we still have to. Because right now, we cannot just fold our hands and be watching. We cannot just sit back and be watching. No, we cannot sit back because a lot of things is still going on. You know, the other day, we prayed for our land. We prayed for peace to reign. Really, it works. We made it. But then, we still have some more to do. Now I know that we can do this. We can. Right now, I must tell you the truth. The youth in Edo State, they are suffering. They are so suffering, they are hungry. Don't forget, the English people says, an hungry man is an angry man. These people are angry. No matter what is going on, whatever they are doing, don't forget, they are so hungry. And when you are hungry, you think of evil. You think of evil. Right now, what do we do? What do we do to wipe away this hunger? Yes, because if everybody is busy, nobody will have time to think of negative things. If everybody is busy working, nobody will have time to take your life. If everybody is busy, nobody will think of to go and rob. The robbery in Edo State, but guess what? I don't blame them. I don't blame them because there is no job. My friends, my people, I can put it to you clearly that the only people that is working in my state, the only people that has job in Edo State, the vulcanizers and the people that wash cars. Yes, people that wash cars and the vulcanizers. These are the two people that are employed. Self-employment. There is no job in our state. The youth are hungry and they are angry. They are angry, so what do? There's no job opportunity for them? No. There's no job opportunity. Just imagine this. There's no ShopRite in Benin. As big as Benin, the heartbeat of the nation, there is no ShopRite. Why? Do I know? I don't know. There's no ShopRite. There is no companies. There's no place that you can submit your civic. There's no place you can submit applications to work. No. So what do you think? What do you expect? If you think that this is none of your business, it is your business. Oh. Because my people, many people say, I'm your senior to Segbe. It is your business. Don't say because your family does not stay here, that your family is in abroad, that it is none of your business. It is your business, my friend. Because if you don't have any family here, if your mother, your father, your children, your brothers and sisters are not here, at least you have friends. Your friends have friends. You understand? So don't just say, hey, I don't live there, I don't care. No, please, you have to care. Because one day you will plan to come to your land. You will plan to come to your house. Yes. I will just see. You will plan to come to your land. So the problem is our problem because I can as well take a visa and leave the country. But am I going to die there? Once I come back to my land, I will come back. So we have to beg the government to please create job opportunities for our brothers so that they will not be thinking negatively, so that they will not go and be thinking to, you know what I'm talking about? Please, the government, we need to seek for your attention because me, I am concerned about my state. I am concerned about the happiness of my youth. I want my youth to be smiling because me, I want to be working freely. I don't want to be looking at my time that a day Komune is getting late, I want to go home. No. I want to be working freely. I want everybody to be smiling. Because my people used to say that I don't know path level usajeje. If there's only one person that has money in your family, you guys are still suffering. No, everybody needs to be okay. Everybody needs to be fine. One way or the other, anyhow. Because right now, there's no job in Benin. That is why our brothers are dying. They are going to Libya route. They are dying in the sea. Yes, they are dying. Recently, this September, people died. Because they are running away from this land. Because the suffering is too much. There's nothing we are enjoying. There's nothing. Ordinary Ghana. I was there. I spent 2 weeks. I did not notice darkness a bit. There was light all through. So what are we saying? What are we saying? I don't want to talk much. I am here so that we put hands together. We will join hands together to beg the government. We need job. Imagine there's no job. Imagine there is no shop right in Benin. Imagine that. I don't know. Hey, because me, I'm supposed to have a job. I'm an actress. Yes. The movie industry is very worst. This Benin industry, oh my God. Nobody will know if we are existing. They don't care. They don't care about the movie industry. They don't care about the industry. They don't give a fuck at all. They don't care. They don't want to know. We are suffering. The industry is suffering. We don't have support. We don't have investors. We don't have anybody to come and say, what's up? What are you people doing? No. We are just doing it on our own. That is why you see the people acting the movie. You'll be saying that, because there is no help. There is no help at all. We are just doing it within ourselves. Yes, within ourselves. There's nothing coming out of it. That is why you see every one of us now, we now have YouTube. We now have YouTube. Because that is the place that you will still get pin. There is nothing in the industry because they don't recognize us. Companies do come to Benin. Imagine, as big as Glo, MTN, Coca-Cola, different companies. They come to Benin every day, every year and day to invest. There's nobody, they did not endorse anybody. There is no endorsement from these people. You cannot penetrate them because they think that they're in the right place. They're in the right place. No endorsement. They don't even know. And we patronize them as well. We patronize Glo, MTN, Coca-Cola, whatever. We patronize them. We are the face of Benin. We are the face of Benin, for crying out loud. They don't even know if we're existing. So now we want to fight it. We want to put an end to it. We want to fight it. We must be recognized. Benin industry must be recognized. The actors and actresses, we must be recognized. Yes, we want you all to join us, if not for you people there. If not for you people, especially my people in abroad. Thank you so much. I thank you all for being there for us. If not for you people, because you are the only ones that support us one way or the other. The best way you can, you do. I can see it. You guys are really trying. You guys are trying for us. We don't have support from anywhere. I don't want to say anything. You people will understand what I'm trying to say. We don't have support from anywhere. Benin youth are hungry. The industry is hungry. Everybody is hungry. Who will not feed each other? Because as for me, I'm not agree. The most fair solution to my life, to the industry, to the Benin youth. Now that would they give me joy. Me not give me the run they go. If you don't know someone allow go, na go my have any one ni level. Ni allow go. Have you now break? Have you now said don't we can do more big bo? E ya can do here business here. Now we ma atam ya we man never have because man na here set go no ni gwe ma. E man no gwe ya. Onu gwe man no gwe ya e man no gwe ya me. Ni allow ni ade be ma. Mo mi ro pa ade do we. E ya do. E ya na go gwe ya. I'm not aware of what way. No, I will imagine the way. One even yesterday, my attitude. A coya and those that we have for we call. I'm on your back do. I will even on attitude, say, no, big boy who said, error, no endorsements. I have a Vieva, NTIT Vieva, a Glo Vieva, or Navieha. Industry money on there. Oh, my sacco. I didn't musician money material. It is so hip hop. A Learico. Mark Bilahia. 18 years of bana nike woni munana e ma mi pele mo mi ba ti na that wo e no so na ya we live video e be e ni na ma one it we live video na la wo na yin ni yan na gwa ni mu na the youth ade globe gbogbo ni do am company gbona ni ya end us in here to enough is enough. I appreciate you all who supported in prayers. But the social media, the TV station, any way that you posted that video that I cried out, I want to thank you all. I want to thank you very much for being there. I thank you. I appreciate you. Please, we still have to beg them to provide you job for our youth. That is all I'm here for. I stand for peace. I stand for peace. Sandra Aibogun, I stand for peace in my state.